episode of Cooking with Jay. It's your boy Jay Simkovitz. Today I'm making comfort food. Simple, easy comfort food that you will enjoy, that you will love. You don't need to make cooking very difficult or very complicated or long. It's plain, simple comfort food. So the first thing you're gonna do is get your pan nice and hot. Just all you gotta do is turn it on to 7 and let your pan get nice and hot. So let's throw in that delicious butter. Now you need your pieces of bread you're going to stick in there. Like that. Now what you need is 8 to 10 pieces of cheese. Thin sliced cheese. Like so. Now you stick it on your bread that is cooking in the pan. Put on the cheese and put the other slice of bread on top of it as you are burning your food. No, really, you don't want to burn your food, but sometimes you do. Like I am right now, I'm burning my food. Now you don't want to burn your food as I have done. As you can see, I've burnt the top. You want to, then if you're starting to burn it, you got to lower the temperature so you can get the cheese to melt on this bad boy. There you go. You got a nice burnt sandwich. Well, grilled cheese sandwich that has been burnt but is totally melted. You know, even though you might burn your food, as I have done, it's still good to eat it. Well, this is a way to burn your food. So if you want burnt food, follow this recipe. If you don't want to burn it, well then by all means, just don't burn it. Simple factor. So I hope you enjoyed watching me burn the most easiest comfort food called the grilled cheese sandwich that you can make, and it is plain and simple to do, except I burnt the living daylights out of it, as you can tell. Okay? So if you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe below. Click the little red subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you can get the notification every time I upload a video at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Also, hit the thumbs up button. Smash it, squash it, high five it, do whatever you have to, just hit that thumbs up button. Also, share this with your friends, family, and all your social media so that they can know not what to do. So that they can know what not to do while cooking a grilled cheese sandwich. Also, comment below if there's something you want me to do. Also, remember, you guys are awesome, you guys are amazing, you're one of a kind, you're beautiful, and thank you for being part of Cooking with Jay Simkovitz and part of Jay Squad. And remember, the most important thing is be happy.